So when a link is sent to you, whether through WhatsApp or email, it is very easy. All you need to do is click on the link. So this is the link here, educationcloser.cmr@gmail.com. That's the email for you to send this report to. And then you have the link, which starts with https :/docs.google.com spreadsheet. Okay, so just click this link. Once you click on that link, it opens up on another space on your browser. This is it here. 5W Cameroon Education Closer Reporting Template 3.7, version 3.7, 2025. So this is where we are. Okay, here, right inside your Google Sheet, you cannot start answering this report here. This is Google Sheet. This is online. Okay, so if I come to 5W here, you see this is the report actually, but you cannot start answering it here. If you answer this report here, it will remain inside this system. Okay, you also have the area for intro, you have the area for who, you have the area for what. So you cannot start answering this report here. Okay, don't start answering it here. Remember, you must have internet to do this. While you are here, what you have to do, go up to this file here. You see this file. Okay, this file here, and then you click. When you click this file, you will see different options. It says download. You come here, it says download Microsoft Excel. Okay, you can download PDF and other options are here, but here it wants you to download Microsoft Excel. So once you click this, automatically download starts. You see, if you go up here, you see this small sign here. This is download going on. This is my download here. Remember, you need to have a good internet connection and make sure you have the most updated version of Excel. I recommend 2016. Okay, so this is what we have here. So here you come here, this small icon here, you can click it. It will take you inside your system. You see, it brings you here, and then you can right click. Okay, and then you go here, and then you copy it, go on your desktop. Okay, right click again, choose paste and paste it there. Or you can come here without necessarily clicking here, just click on the document itself. You see, it opens up. It's very simple. This is it now. Now you have it now manually in your desktop or on your desktop. Okay, this is what we have here now. You see, here this is my report. I have the intro here, I have the data here, I have the who here, I have the what here. Okay, so this is my report. I can go to my 5W now, and then I start entering my information. So here, you see that now your 5W is on. You see, so now you can start entering your 5W. So we still have the intro, we have the 5W data entry, we have the who, we have the what. Okay, so please do not feel why it's online. And then here you can come here and go to save as. Okay, go to browser or desktop directly, and then you choose desktop. You see, and then you name it whichever name you want, and then you save. Now we have it on our desktop, and as you fill it, make sure you come up here and save, so it remains on your desktop in order not to miss your data. That's it, as simple as that, guys. Stay blessed. The tips I want to show you when it comes to downloading your 5Ws. Okay, once you are in your, you have clicked your link and you are in the cloud space here. This is the cloud space. Now we want to download it out of this space. Okay, you come to download here, click your Microsoft. Just pay attention, there's something I want to show you. The form will download here as we have seen previously. Okay, and when it downloads, you click, you come to the file, you go to this small folder and you click. Now once you click, it appears here, right? It comes now to your local disk. This is your local disk, and then you right click. Once you right click, go to show more options here, and then you go to properties. When you go to properties, you will see an option that says unlock. Now, there's something called VBA codes. Don't bother to understand that. Those are codes that Coffee used to design this sheet, to make it properly, to make it usable, and to make it proper, to make it function well. So for you to enable it to work very well, you come now and select this unlock. So you want to unlock it so that the sheet or your file or your 5W will function well in your local machine. So you select this unlock and then you select apply. But before we go there, let's read what is written here, security. This file came from another computer and might be blocked to help protect this computer. So you want to unblock it, okay? And then when you unblock now, you click apply and then you click OK. That is it. Your file now is ready to be used. You can double click now and then it opens up in your local machine. And then once it opens up there now, you can save it now and then start answering your start filling your data, sorry. So if I come here and I want to save to my local disk, you will see what happens here now. Make sure it is saved as Excel macro enable workbook because macro has been enabled, because macro was used, VBA codes were used to make it properly, to design this form, okay, or this file. So please, this is very important. Save it with this my Excel macro enable workbook. It's very important. The file name should be like this. Are we getting now? And then you save it in your local machine. Okay, so this is someone is already we have a file that's already existing, the same name. I had already downloaded. So this is very important for your 5Ws. Thank you so much.